Today let's study derivatives. So what is a derivative? We have this function y is equal to x square. We want to find derivative of this at x is equal to 2. Derivative is given as, it will be written as y dash, and it will be equal to f of x plus h minus f of x divided by f of h. What is h? H is a very small number which tends to 0. H is very, very small. H is equal to 0.0010 raised to power minus 100. This is h. Very, very small. This is 1, this is 2, this is half, this is less than half, 1/4, 1/8. H is very, very small. H is 1 by 1 to the power 100. It is very small. That is h. So what this says is, if we have this function fx, we have its value at f is equal to x. We go to, this is h. This is very, very small. It is just that I want to show you there. Therefore, I am showing it big. I am showing a big interval. Otherwise, h is very, very small. F of x plus h is this. This is x. This is x plus h. So this become f of x and this become f of x plus h. So the value at this point minus value at this point divided by this h. Sorry, this is not fh. This is h divided by this h. This is the derivative of this function at a point x. Now we want to find that x is equal to 2. So we find this value at x is equal to 2. After finding this, we finally substitute x is equal to 2 and h tends to 0 or h is equal to 0. We substitute these values. Now let's see how we will find this. F of x plus h is x plus h whole square minus f of x, that is this only, x square divided by h under the limit h tending to 0. So this become x square plus h square plus 2hx minus h square divided by h. So x and x under the limit h tending to 0. X square and x get cancelled. H get cancelled with this. It become h plus 2x under the limit h tending to 0. So now we finally substitute h tends to 0 or h is equal to 0. We get 2x and value at x is equal to 2 is equal to 4. So the value of this function, derivative of this function at x is equal to 2 is 4. And how we find it? Find it using this formula. Under the limit h tending to 0. This is how we find derivative at a particular point. Now for derivative to exist at a particular point, limit must exist. First you check if the limit exists, then it is okay. If the limit exists, then we find the derivative. But in the book it is not given like this. They've just found the derivative. They're assuming that the derivative will exist. So now let's find the derivative of x cube under the limit x cube at x is equal to 2. We have to find its derivative. So y dash or f dash x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h under the limit h tending to 0. So this becomes x plus h whole cube minus x whole cube divided by h under the limit h tending to 0. X cube plus h cube plus 3x square h plus 3h square x minus x cube divided by h. X cube and x cube get cancelled. H, this becomes square. This get cancelled. This become 1. So it become under the limit h tending to 0, h square plus 3x square plus 2hx. We substitute h is equal to 0, we get 0 square plus 3x square plus 0. We find this value at x is equal to 2, that is 3 into 2 square, that is equal to 12. So again we use this formula and we found our value. This is how we find derivative at a particular point. Now you need to learn this derivative. We have a polynomial x to the power n. Function is equal to x to the power n. What is derivative of x? Derivative of function fx is represented as f dash x, and it is equal to, write this power down, we have written it down, into x, and then subtract 1 from this power, n minus 1. This is a derivative of x raised to the power n. So derivative of x cube become, we write 3 down and decrease this by 1, 2. Derivative of x to the power 5 becomes, we write 5 down into x, decrease this by 1, 4. So this is how we find derivative of a polynomial. Now we have derivative of fx plus gx. We want to find the derivative of this whole. Derivative of this whole is given by f dash x plus g dash x. What does this mean? Fx is equal to, suppose, x square. Gx is equal to x cube. We want to find derivative of this. Derivative of this. How do we find? Derivative of this is equal to derivative of this first term plus derivative of this second term. We simply open this and multiply and apply the derivative on both these terms. So it is 2 above, 2 comes down, we subtract power by 1. 3 comes down, we subtract power by 1. So this is a derivative of this. Similarly for fx minus gx, derivative of this is equal to f dash x minus g dash x. We simply open this and apply derivative on both these.